Hey there, gentlemen. In this video, we'll be discussing a couple studies on how a Chinese herb like Epimedium can have a therapeutic effect on erectile dysfunction. Traditional Chinese medicine is an effective alternative for ED, according to the study here. Nowadays, various Chinese herbs are used for patients with ED in clinical practice and show satisfying outcomes. If you've noticed that you just can't get the job done in the bedroom the way that you used to, if you've ever struggled with ED, I can relate, and it fucking sucked. But then I started using this awesome supplement, which I've left a link in the description for you to check out. It worked for me and has worked for others as well. I recommend that you try it out for yourself and see how it can help you. Now, the traditional Chinese medicinal herb Epimedium is a popular botanical supplement used as a health tonic. The extract of the plants are reputed to produce aphrodisiac effects and are commonly used in Chinese herbal medicine to enhance erectile function, according to this study here. It is thought that Icarin is likely to be the primary active component of Epimedium extracts. Icarin is a flavanol, which is a type of flavonoid. Icarin has similar effects on erectile dysfunction and has established a dose-dependent selective inhibitory effect like PDE5. PDE5 is an inhibitor that is used in many ED medications out there on the market today for the treatment of erectile dysfunction. Part of the physiological process of an erection involves the release of nitric oxide in the vascular structure of the corpus cavernosum as a result of sexual stimulation, leading to smooth muscle relaxation in blood vessels supplying the corpus cavernosum, resulting in increased blood flow and erection. Oral treatment with Icarin at a 98.6 purity for 4 weeks potentially improves erectile function. This effect is correlated with an increase of the percentage of smooth muscle and the expression of certain nitric oxide in the corpus cavernosum of castrated rats. These results suggest that Icarin may have a therapeutic effect on erectile dysfunction. Icarin was inhibitory to all three PDE5 isoforms with similar IC50 values, which were approximately 3 times greater than those for Zapernis, a precursor to Viagra. Icarin was able to enhance the levels of cGMP in the cavernosus smooth muscle cells and to enhance the production of bioactive nitric oxide as well as mimicking the effects of testosterone. These results suggest that Icarin may have a therapeutic effect on erectile dysfunction. Now, if you're serious about fixing your erectile dysfunction, check out the link in the description. I know what it's like to suffer from ED, but then I started using this awesome supplement, which worked really well for me and greatly improved my performance in the bedroom and has worked well for others. I recommend that you try it out for yourself and see how it can help you with your performance in the bedroom. So be sure to check out the link in the description, and we'll see you in the next video.